Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hey guys, it's Melanie. My baby girl just had a birthday party and it was not exactly the one she had planned. All she's wanted is a birthday party. Like planning this unicorn birthday party. She just turned 5 years old. Can y'all believe she is 5 years old? Sissy, you're so grown up. She is smart, she is talented, she is kind, she is so beautiful. Beautiful! Oh, so beautiful. Anyway, you guys, she was really hoping for a very small little unicorn party. She wanted to invite over a couple friends and that could not happen. It is 2020 and people are quarantined. They're not allowed to leave their homes. It's a whole thing. And I am so heartbroken for her still because she really, that's all she wanted. When I told her, she cried and I didn't know how to fix it. So I tried to do many things, which include fire trucks and Elsa and piñatas. And I filmed the whole day and I wanted to share it with you guys because I am just so happy with the way it turned out. I think it went really well. So yeah, hopefully this gives you guys some ideas if you're in the same boat. If you have any ideas, please share them in the comments to give other moms ideas. And that is it. I hope this helps you guys. I really, really hope that you guys had a day that was as special as ours. All right, that's it. I'm just like reminiscing. Total mom moment. Here's a video. What is it? It's your dress. It's your outfit. Let me see your pretty outfit. Ooh, sunglasses. Unicorn shirt. Let me see it. Beautiful. Asking about the ball. What did you get her in a ball? What is it, Sissy? LOL. Oh yeah. He got the little sister's LOL because you're his little sister. You want to open the other one and then mommy will help you open the LOL? Go. Oh girl, get it girl.
Okay, it'll be my turn.
Let Bubby get a turn before you break it. Yeah, girl. No, you're going to get hit with it, Logan.
Watch out, watch out.
Okay, Bubby gets a turn and then Sissy gets to finish it off. Oh, yeah. Watch. No, back up, Sissy. Come here. Stay back behind your daddy. Good, Logan. Cheese. She's calling. She couldn't wait. Look at her.
That's okay. Pageant.
Oh, that is what you look like, Sissy.
Birthday! Look how cute! All right!
Yeah. Well, I decided to give you a very special call. I'm going to read you a story, and I'm going to introduce you to one of my special friends you probably know, and then I'm going to sing you happy birthday. Is that okay? Yeah? All right. Well, I'm going to start with a story. Favorite princess. Yourself.
Yes, girl. All right, let's do this. I think the doorbell was for you.
What are you doing?
What is it? You got a delivery. What is it? What'd you get? That's your name on there. Birthday flowers.
Indecisive.
It's got a card. What's it say? It says your name.
Coda, happy 5th birthday. We love you. Love mommy and daddy.
Oh, do you love it, Sissy?
What is this? Oh, well, this is really tiny.
That's what clipped it on.
How did you make this really tiny thing?
I'm in the correct spot. Good job! Sissy's is totally good. High five!
Can I open the present?
In a second. Hold on. Wait for Bubby. Come over here. Bubby's turn.
This.
Wait. Ready? Go.
I
Oh yeah. Oh! Oh!
Almost.
Now wait a second. She's looking for bugs. We had a whole outside thing planned. We got all kinds of presents for outside. And I was gonna do pool, but it's like 50 degrees here, 60 degrees here. It was 80 last week, and it's 80 later on this week, but not today. So I guess that'll be a surprise for a couple days from now. Good job, dude. Mac. That's not nonies. That's no macaronis.
Decorations, if you would like.
Making Legos.
This is basically the prep.
This is stuck. What'd you get?
Yay!
Oh, look. It's a paper doll. Cool. You can put it. You can make it pretty. That's so neat. Logan. Okay. Who's the gift card from? Grandma, Grandpa. Let me help you. Ready?
Let's actually
Basically a quarter, right?
There you go. There's that.
There's definitely
It's 2 quarters equals 50 cents, which is half $1.
You're right.
This is
Needs her
$25.
bow.
Watch them. I gotta get a picture of you.
She got to meet Elsa.
You did, huh?
You met Elsa and Anna? Yeah.
Sissy, look at all these people. Are you recording?
Hey.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dakota. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Her face.
Now she's gonna be shy.
Why are you being so shy today? Oh, cool! Your favorite? Those are your absolute favorite. It's Nina! Look at her little face. Oh my goodness! You say thank you, Miss Josie? Oh, be careful.
Ooh, sweet.
Energy. There's energy.
Oh, cute! Oh my gosh, how cute! Alright, that is Itches, guys. Alright, pause. Editing Melanie here. Don't I look great? I'm on my way to bed. I look ridiculous. Anyway, you guys, I don't think the intro or outro really does this justice. I am so thankful that so many people reached out to make sure that Dakota had a good birthday. I mean, so much love. I was like crying the whole day, the whole week. Happy tears. Like so many people reached out. And I just thank you guys so much from the bottom. I'm going to cry again, y'all. But thank you so much. Seriously. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. You know the whole thing. Subscribe for DIYs and stuff. And I hope this gave you some ideas. I hope your little one has an awesome birthday party. Bye, y'all. Love you.